Congratulations guys to me. Congratulations to me. I made my order from Jumia again. After making my order for a wireless microphone, now this is a tripod. It's a kind of mini tripod stand, but it's kind of taller, than the mini one. So this is the tripod stand. It's lightweight tripod stand. It's an aluminum travel tripod for a phone camera where you can mount the mount. It is very flexible and lightweight as a tripod stand for photography and for field YouTube videos. So bringing out the tripod out from the pack, or let me say the carton. So removing the bag, in which if that bag supposed to come with a rope in which you can hang it around and walk around with it. But it's a travel tripod and you can travel around with it. So as the way it is, you can mount it on a table or a desk. You understand? You can mount it. But if you want it longer, you can just extend it. That is the extension. When you unlock the lock and then you now bring out the legs, so that it can be longer than the way it is. Yes. Now I'm extending it. It's not that tall, but it's something that you can use maybe when you can use it while sitting on a chair. But you cannot use it standing up straight as the way I am, because it's not even up to my chest region. But it's something that it's a kickstart, something that you can kickstart. You can start with. You understand? It's good to start from somewhere. I was just smiling, just happy, having this around. That is one of my expectations. So now I'm locking it. After you extend it, then you lock it so that it can stand, it can be stable. You understand? If you didn't lock it, it won't stay. So now I've locked the legs. So now I'm I want to lose the screw for the let me say, should I call it the neck or head region. I want to mount this is the mount where you can mount your phone, where you can hang or put your phone in. So you see, you can shoot the video in any angle with this tripod stand. It's 360-degree tripod stand. You can turn it in up, down. You can rotate it 360 degrees. You can rotate it. You understand? So I've mounted the mount. So this is the should I say, let me call it handle. You can. That is where you hold the put on your hand, and rotate your tripod. So I'm now about to bring. This is it's the remote. This is a remote. It comes with a remote in which you can make a connection with your phone, a Bluetooth connection. When you make your connection, then you can control your video or your picture through it. And this tripod stand, it comes with two phone mounts. This one you can use your phone vertically. It's a mount in which you can place your phone vertically, maybe for TikTok or for shorts. You can also use it horizontally, vertically, horizontal, like something like this I have seen. So this is the first mount. That one is the second one. You can make use of either the end of it. So now I'm trying to lose the screw so that I can extend the neck or the head region, because this is not the final height. So this is the final height now. After you raise it up, then you have to lock it back so it can be stable. So I just wanted to leave a congratulations in the comment section. This is an improvement. It's good to get a tool so that you can have a wonderful shooting of video, making a content that will be very good and producing value. So have a look on my new tripod stand. I need your congratulations in the comment section. Thank you for watching.